guys, it's Kira back with another video. How are you guys doing today? That is great. So, back with another video. First, before we get started with this video, I want to talk about my new light. Okay, here's the off button in the middle little circle. Boosh, it turns off. And then you hit the circle again, and it'll turn it back on. And there's like two arrows, one going up, one going down. If you turn the back down one, it gets lower. If you hit this one, it gets brighter. So I thought that was super cool to talk to you guys about. Yay! But let's go ahead and get started. I have one new slime in this restock. No, I'm just playing. I just had made a new slime and I want to show you guys to you because I couldn't wait to the restock video. So yeah. This one is strawberry confetti. Isn't it cute? It has amazing popping sounds. Amazing popping sounds. Now you can't really hear them though because I'm talking, of course. But we will be doing ASMR. About to start. Boom, now. Sorry if you guys hear the ambulance. Okay, back you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that ASMR. So,
There's another big announcement.
Are you got an announcement?
Yeah, I have an announcement. So when you have a little too much champagne, you can't keep any secrets. And I feel like here at the engagement party, we have all of our family here. There's so much love around us that I know it's the perfect time to announce the good news. Lauren, can you come up here real quick? Why? Just because I would like you to help me with this. Lauren and JJ have a big announcement.
Well, we really wanted this to just be about Nicole and James.
That's all right.
We're done here with number 2.
Wow.
Another person around me is having a baby.
this slime scratch is amazing.
I'm done. Like, I don't know.
Hey, what are you doing? Something majorly is wrong.
I don't even know how to start.
Okay, you guys, I'm gonna have to end the video right here. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. especially that ASMR because I did had fun making that. But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!